Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed, and I got a fun new box in, and this one is Love from Lizi. So this is actually a box that came for the February launch, or the February kit, I should say, and we're going to take a look at what's in here. And then upcoming is going to be another video next week that's all about making 10 cards with just this kit, which is pretty darn awesome. So let's take a look. Specifically made for doing card making, but I am sure you could do so much more with it. I mean, you're getting 12 by 12 sheets of paper, so scrapbooks are definitely in the works. I mean, ATCs, alt tags, you could do mini books, all kinds of fun stuff. With that, I got my cute little compliments. Thank you so much for purchasing. And then some information. All the links for where to find this kit are going to be down below in the more section, so just take a look for that. And then let's open it up and take a look. All right, so I'm going to do the big one first. So cute. I'm loving the colors already. So adorable. All right, let's go with the big papers. So here I have some really cute large papers. There's 3 of them in here, as you can see. Loving this trend of the pink with the green and the black. I mean, it just looks so pretty together. Obviously, this is a very happy birthday type feel based on some of the different terminologies in here. I've got a whole bunch of stamps that are from Love from Lizi. So she's made these. These are so cute. And there's a whole bunch of happy birthday and then special day. So adorable. And that's what ties all this in together. So we have some large sheets, as you can see here, some small squares. And then we have some other fun ones that you can cut up. And then this big one that says happy birthday. That's so cute. We also have another sheet where you can cut out all these fun little bubble pops or thought bubbles, I guess is the best way to describe them. So you could fussy cut this stuff out. And then on the back side, we've got some really pretty papers. And the same with this one too. I mean, look how cute those hearts are. So adorable. We also have this one. I mean, look at this. And look at all these other fun little pieces. So even if you're doing like a project life kind of thing, this would work for that as well. So I love this. And then on the back, look how pretty. So gorgeous. So these are our 12 by 12 pattern papers. I then have a whole little section of a ton of little mini 6 by 6. Well, not minis, but they're 6 by 6 that fit in the same. Just look how cute. They're all one-sided, as you can see. Ooh, look how pretty. Look at that. I'm loving these. Look at these. Oh, look at the little bubbles. What I'm loving about this is it's obviously very girly, but there's a couple of sheets like this one right here could go very masculine, especially if you add some, other kind of the black with it or whatever. You don't have to make these all like girly cards, but it definitely lends itself to being kind of a girly trend. That's kind of cool. Like this one could definitely go for a masculine card. I could see my boys liking something like that. This one with pink, not so much. All right, some of the other papers, and then we'll get into the fun little embellishments and stuff. We have some card bases. So here we have some bases, some 8.5 by 11 that you could easily cut in half and therefore turn into a base for your cards. So we have 2 whites, we have a beautiful pink, we have the yellow, they have that kind of that mint green, and then you also have a black. So this leads you to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and if you cut them in half, depending on how you cut them, that would give you 12 cards total. Just by using only this paper, but it doesn't mean that you have to use this paper. And there's so many other options that you could use here. Also have, I think this is like a sticker. Oh yeah, so these are these, look at these. There's these little strips and they're on stickers and they're already like this glittery strip and there's so many of them. I'm gonna have fun with that. And then I also have some glitter paper. Look how pretty that is. Shiny, shiny. And then I have a black, it almost feels like chalkboard paper kind of. It's really pretty. It's very glossy on the front, so I bet you could probably write on this and make it feel like it's a chalkboard, almost kind of like what the effect is over here. So that's really fun. All right, so that's the papers. Those are cool. Love all those papers. Then we have a set of stamps, which I just showed you a second ago, and it has all the numbers, so 0 through 9. So you can do any combination of age that's on there. And then we have a whole bunch of little birthday balloons that have writings. This one says happy birthday to you. This one just says birthday, happy. This one doesn't have anything. It's just plain. It says flying by to say hi. How cute. And then we have a present that says it's your special day or it's a special day. And then we have a party hat and it says it's your birthday. So cute. And then there's also this little streamer right here, which you could attach to the balloons and make it turn into like a balloon on a string, which is really smart. We also have some stickers. I believe this is just a one-sided. Let me open it up and look. Yeah, so it's a single sheet, and there's some really cute stickers, and I believe these could be colored in, which is pretty fun. So they already have a little bit of glitter treatment on them, but I believe that these are like to color in stickers, which would be really pretty. So you could match some of the same colors that are in there. Love that. All right, then we have this little kit. I'm loving this little guy right here. And in here we have a whole bunch of fun little embellishments. All right, so I got some Nuvo Drops, the crystal drops. These are so cool. I love playing with these. There's a little bit of a drying time on them, but they are so stinking pretty. And you can get a lot out of one little bottle. I mean, this bottle will last more than just the 10 cards. So that's awesome. I got some confetti glitter. Look at all these fun colors, and all the colors that match so well with this kit. I mean, look at it, and they're all different sizes. I don't want to open this up and confetti bomb myself, but you can tell there's some large pieces in here, and there's also some medium size. Oop, there's even a little heart, and there's also some small ones. They're all mostly rounds, except for I did see a couple little hearts in here, which is so cute. I love adding little blingy things. I got some gilding flakes. So this is the gold gilding. I believe this is the Nuvo Gild stuff. So you can add a little bit of a gold feel to it. Oh, we got a little die. Oh, 2 dies. So one of them says, I'm guessing happy birthday. And then the other one is a little banner with some stars on it. And the cool thing about that is that you can die cut it and you have the stars, but then you also have the banner. And so you get kind of a 2-for-1 deal, which is pretty cool. We have some little wooden hearts. Look how adorable. And they have a little puncture in the top, which means that you could string them like to be a banner or something, or, you know, however you want to do that. You could have them be part of a balloon. I mean, so many options for those. Lots of fun ribbons that are all in the color scheme, as you can see here. I mean, just look at them all. Aren't they pretty? Loving those. So gorgeous. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, look at these. These look like mirrors. So these little chevrons here that look like shiny mirrors. Loving that. Also have a couple of big, so one side, oh, they have a little flag on them. So one side it's a diamond, but it's like a diamond heart. It's the best way to describe it. One side is already painted gold, but the other one is plain. So that kind of lends you to do a whole bunch of stuff. And you can kind of have fun with, you can cut this off and use it as is. You could leave it as a whole piece. It's kind of your call on that. Couple of really cute clips. I love all these little diamonds. They're like diamond heart. This one looks like a diamond, like a faceted diamond, but they're clips. I gotta get the sucker off. I don't want to, there we go. So it's like a paper clip, but it's in the shape of a diamond, and there's 2 of them. Those are so cute. I just had to figure out how to get them off. They're so geometric looking, and I think that's awesome. And then we have some stickers. And so it's a whole bunch of series of stickers that are in this beautiful gold color, and there is a few pages in here. Wow, there's a lot of pages. So we have imagine, little things, hello, look how shiny and pretty those are. And then we have loved. So you don't have to do birthday, even though it's very much a birthday theme for this set of cards. You could do some other fun sentiments on your cards, or just the fun shapes. And that's what's really cool about these. And look, here's that diamond again. You know, be awesome. Lots of fun things that are on here. Look at those. Aren't those cool? So pretty. I'm loving all this. Look at them. Adorable. Best day ever. You know, live the life you love. And the sweet, and you can do anything. So cute. Just take a look at all the amazing stuff you get in this one kit. So this is a February kit, and again, links for all the information of how to find this kit and to buy this kit, or future, because this is a monthly kit. This is a subscription kit that you can get monthly, and it's so cute. And it is love from Lizzie, and I will see you guys again soon. Please subscribe. Bye-bye.